Hey folks, welcome back to PolarByte, your straight talk crypto spot with that classic Canadian filter, where we unpack the global pumps and drill down on how they play out for us up here, from TSX ETF flows to CRA-proof stacking in your TFSA. Quick check-in, drop a comment saying where you're tuning in from, right in the six or out in the prairies. If you're feeling that Uptober fire after our tax chat, you're gonna love this. Bitcoin's crushing new ATHs, but when do you buy, sell, or just chill for passive alt-season wins? And yeah, is the bull cycle topping soon? We'll hit the signals, strategies, and that Canadian edge to keep your gains clean. My real talk. This is my read on the charts and chatter, not financial advice, so DYOR deep, loop in a pro for taxes, and only risk what won't ruin your Timmy's run, eh? Let's break it. Quick market vibe to kick us off. Crypto's cap is steady at 4.37 trillion, up a tick, 0.2% in the last day, with 206 billion volume. Bitcoin's ruling at 56.5% dominance, around 123,943, with a 0.9% daily nudge. Ethereum's flexing at 13% dominance and $4,708, up 1.5% daily, while gainers like Zcash ripping 12.1%, Plasma at 9.4%, and Providence at 9.2% steal the spotlight. Against the classics, BTC's 32% YTD smoke checks gold's 46.6% climb. No vault needed, just digital shine. And it's lapping the TSX's 23% nudge, that hedge glow when stocks stutter on rate jitters. Uptober's living its legend. Bitcoin's tapped fresh ATHs north of 124K, shrugging off that US shutdown noise like it's just another Tuesday, with history backing it. Green in 10 of 12 Octobers, averaging 28% pops on halving echoes and ETF billions flowing in. From the data, it's not blind hype. On-chain screaming conviction. Whales stacking 50K BTC weekly, hash rate at peaks, and RSI hitting 70 on the weekly without dumping, coiling for a 140K test if Fed cuts land soft. But here's the edge for us Canucks. While US folks sweat SEC delays on alt ETFs, our Purpose and Fidelity funds are humming commission-free, DCA in your TFSA, and those gains compound tax-free, dodging that 50% CRA bite on sells. So, when to buy? Don't chase tops. DCA's your Uptober cheat code. Dollar cost average 5 to 10% of paycheck weekly into BTC or ETH, smoothing vol like a Zamboni on ice. Signals to load up, dips to 200-day SMA, around 100K now, or RSI under 40 flashing oversold. Grabbed me 20% edges last cycle without the FOMO sweat. For passive alt-season alpha, skip day trading hell. Stake ETH on Lido for 4 to 5% APY, or yield farm on Solana dexes like Radium. Low effort, 8 to 15% returns rolling in while you sip double-doubles, but watch gas and impermanent loss. Up here, rapid and RRSPs via ETFs to defer taxes. Purpose ETXU lets you earn yields sheltered, turning passive into profitable without the audit alarm. So when to sell? That's the art. Don't dump at euphoria. Wait for RSI over 80 screaming overbought, or whale wallets lighting up sells on Glassnode over 10K BTC outflows. Cycle tops? My calls Q4 peak at 150 to 200K BTC, echoing 2021's halving blow-off, but macro wildcards like prolonged shutdowns or hot CPI could cap it early. Sell in stages, 25% at 140K, trail stops on the rest. For Canadians, time it right. Harvest losses now to offset 50% of gains, carry forward forever, and cash into TFSA before year-end to reset clean. No US-style wash rules here. Play smart, not scared. Word to the rookies north of the border. If this sounds intense, start chill with Wealthsimple. Link your bank, snag BTC or ETFs in your TFSA with 0.40% fees and 50 to 150 buck bonuses on your first 500 deposit. It's regulated, apps idiot-proof, and builds that passive base without wallet woes or CRA side-eyes. There you go, PolarByte squad. Uptober's your window, but DCA passive, sell smart, and cycle watch like a hawk to lock those gains. If this sparked your plan, smash subscribe for more Canada-tuned timing tips like our alt-season sequel, comment your Uptober buy target, or if you're DCAing below. And yeah, where are you from? Stay bullish, stay biteful, catch you next.